All right, we have an early warning weather alert this time around because of heat. We are expecting to see a prolonged heat wave. Yesterday and today we had 90 plus. Tomorrow we will. That makes it the official heat wave, and the heat will continue past then. You can see how heat advisories are in effect for most of the state for a good chunk of time. From Monday and Tuesday across northern Connecticut, and from Monday through Wednesday across southern Connecticut. And I think that the disparity in the end date is just a matter of which National Weather Service office is actually issuing the advisory. We might see this one extended because we're expecting even Wednesday to be just as hot. So here's our futurecast, tomorrow's weather today. You can see here's Monday in the afternoon, how we will have heat indices well into the 90s. And the same thing will be happening as we look towards Tuesday. So that's why we're going to be having this little issue with the early warning weather alert. The heat will be excessive. Notice what's happening, though, in Tolland on Tuesday. The model is picking up on the idea that we will have a few isolated showers and thunderstorms in the afternoons, especially Tuesday, and that cool lead to a quick cool-off during the time that we're getting the rain. But overall, we are going to see a hot and humid stretch here. You can see the source, lots of heat across areas to the southwest of us. That's why we're expecting it here as we look towards the next couple of days. As I mentioned, it did get into the low 90s in interior Connecticut even today. So the heat wave did officially then start yesterday, and it's just going to continue on. Your forecast as we look towards tonight then. It's going to be stuffy. We'll see temperatures running in the 60s to around 70 degrees. We'll have perhaps some of those low stratus clouds redeveloping in some areas by tomorrow morning, but they'll go away quickly tomorrow. And you can see we'll have a lot of towns with readings into the low 90s, if not upper 80s, as we look towards tomorrow afternoon. And so that would officially make it a heat wave for inland Connecticut. Tomorrow, our ICAM over Hartford showing a little bit of hazy conditions and lots of partly cloudy skies. Same thing in New Haven right now with a temperature of 84. And it's a pretty sky here in Torrington, but it's warm and humid. All of the showers and thunderstorms that are occurring are across northern New England. They're not affecting us at all. We might see an isolated shower for maybe another hour or so, but then after that, that chance is going to zero. And then after that, what we're going to see is just a partly cloudy sky through most of the overnight. Here's 6 a.m. tomorrow, maybe a few areas where, especially along the shoreline, there's a little bit of stratus cloud cover. But for the most part, it should be a partly to mostly sunny beginning to your Monday. And then during the afternoon, there it is, the suggestion that maybe one or two towns might get that isolated shower or thunderstorm. Most of us, however, will not get that. It's just going to be hot. It's just going to be humid. And that's in your early warning 7-day forecast. And so we do have an early warning weather alert for heat and humidity for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, when heat indices could go between 95 and 100.